Excellenz, dear Mr. President Barzani, liebe Frau Generalkonsulin, ich sehe Sie gar nicht. However, first of all, I would like to start to say thank you to Rowange Foundation for this great event. I was really surprised in the morning, and this is the job of all these supporters, helpers, actors, presenters here. So from this place on the stage in the beginning of my speech, thank you very much to all of you. And I guess it's good for an applause as well. In general, thank you for granting me the opportunity to address a few words to all of you here. Since 2014, on behalf of the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, the BMZ, GIZ has been working with municipalities in Kurdistan region of Iraq to provide support for displaced persons and refugees and improve living conditions for these groups and host communities. The influx of large numbers of people due to the Syrian crisis placed additional burdens on the local infrastructure and administrations. Thanks to the very good and trusted partnerships with the Kurdistan regional government, we were together able to achieve good results, to improve living conditions, and to create and strengthen livelihoods of people in Kurdistan. Let me give you some examples for that. Thanks to the building of healthcare centers and the training of medical staff, more than 325,000 people benefit from better health care. More than 160,000 people already made use of improved psychosocial support. Drinking water supply and access to improved sanitation has been stabilized for more than 1.5 million people. Thanks to the building of renovation of more than 50 schools and the training of more than 4,000 teachers, over 35,000 more children are able to attend school today. More than 10,000 people have participated in professional training courses, and over 15,000 people could earn a temporary income through cash for work activities, which at the same time benefit the local communities. All these numbers are for Kurdistan region only, and they show only a small part of the activities that GIZ, together with its partners, engages in. Since 2017, as the situation in Kurdistan region and all of Iraq has changed, also the needs of the Iraqis slowly started to change. As more and more people can return to their homes, whether they have been displaced within the country or sought refuge abroad, they need economic prospects. While the people depend on jobs to create and secure their livelihoods, the country's economy needs highly qualified workers. That means the demands of the labor market. Jobs build futures. Therefore, GIZ, on behalf of the German government, supports local education providers, businesses, and civil society organizations in providing young people, especially women, and returning refugees with employment opportunities to give them a long-term perspective and livable future in their home country. Our means to achieve this are professional qualification courses, technical trainings, business startup trainings, and small-scale funding, job placements, internships, and other employment opportunities carried out in Iraq and Kurdistan region of Iraq. GIZ also partners with technically specialized German companies, such as Knauf or Weiland, to train young technicians and specialists in fields, which are very much sought after the local job market. Further, since 2018 and 2019, respectively, GIZ runs centers for jobs, migration, and reintegration in Erbil and Baghdad. Here, people receive advice and assistance on employment opportunities, available trainings, and suitable qualification courses, as well as reintegration programs for returnees. Within only the first year of this cooperation, the center in Erbil offered services to more than 2,000 people, among them 1,300 returnees from Europe. GIZ is very happy that thanks to the trustful and stable partnership with the Kurdistan Regional Government and the government of Iraq, we are able to conjointly tackle existing challenges, create sustainable livelihoods for the people, support the creation of employment in the private sector, and to develop effective solutions that offer better prospects to all Iraqis. Therefore, it's an honor for us to support also this great job fair, to support Rowange, to support the Kurdish and Iraqi people here. Good success for this job fair and all the best for you all. Thank you.